All right, we're back out here on day 10 of the outhouse build. I have Ev back with me. Yay.
Hello.
More hard work, her favorite. And just as a reminder for those of you that are kind of curious or asking yourselves again why I'm spending so much time building a bathroom, it's because that right there is the current bathroom here at the property. And when she's gotta go, she's gotta use my box.
Lovely. Yes?
You have anything else to say about that?
Nope. It's lovely.
It's got a nice view, huh? She is with us today, and first we're gonna put the siding. I have a bunch of OSB, so we'll drive the truck out back and get started.
We have a waterproof roof, which is great. I can do my plumbing and electrical and whatever in there tomorrow and not worry about the rain. We'll work on the inside tomorrow. We are back out here on day 11, I want to say. I didn't skin this wall because doing the plumbing and the venting and the electrical is going to be way easier if we leave this open until all that utility is in. First things first, we're going to do the venting, and then hopefully tomorrow we can do most of the electrical rough-in. Anyway, that's the plan. Let's get this ladder out of here and start doing some venting. And there you go. Phase one of plumbing done. Vents are out the roof. Now it's time for water. I got my 1/2 inch pecs. I think I'm gonna lay out my whole cold line system in the wall, get everything figured out before I cut and tie into the 3/4. Just that way I make sure I have all the fittings I need. If I'm missing a fitting and I'm already tied in, then I can't turn my water back on, and then I'm another day without pressure, and then
Plumbing in here still looks like a right proper mess because, indeed, like I thought I would, I ran out of parts. So I couldn't get it all hooked up to the main line, which is fine, but it's all kind of in place, and in my mind I know what's hot, what's not. We're close. Maybe we'll have our inaugural poop tomorrow night. Maybe not. Hello.
Hi.
She's not here to work with me. She's here to do her own project.
I said I'd help you.
Yeah, we'll see about that. But Echo is glad the sun is back too. Hey. So after doing a little bit of pre-assembly on some of my plumbing pieces in the shack, I realized I'm still a few parts short. Evelina's dad is coming up this afternoon to help out, and he's gonna stop at Home Depot and get those parts. Many other things to work on this thing. Speaking of which, I'm going to cut the hole for the little window. I got a tiny little 12 by 36 tall little window. This is gonna help with ventilation. That way we can have the door closed and have the fan on and still kind of circulate some air in there. And how about that? We got a little window that's gonna be centered above the toilet. Back to plumbing now that I have my fixtures. Oh, that is it for today. The rough-in for the electrical is pretty much done. I don't have any breakers, so we can't hook anything up to the grid. There's still some things that need to be tied up tomorrow before anything actually works, but we're getting close to being able to skin the rest of this thing and put in the floor and the toilet, and then we'll be sitting pretty on our throne. It is day 11 or 12 or whatever. We have a lot of systems to work on today. No idea how much we'll get done, but we have pretty much all day, and there's 2 of us out here, so we'll see how far we get today, but we should get quite a ways. It's hard to tell what we worked on earlier because we were just standing there the whole time. But most everything's hooked up, including our water line. So I'm gonna go turn on the well pump and we're gonna see if this thing holds pressure. Okay, so over here at my main panel is where I just shut off the well house. So all the water, pressurized tank is done. So when I turn this on, that's gonna turn on the well pump, then the pump is gonna go into the pressure tank, and then the pressure tank has to build up pressure, and then we'll have water out here. It should actually start pushing water almost immediately because there is water just filled in the system. So let's get out here and check some fittings. Pressure. Oh, it's because our valve didn't shut off. That's what. Look at that, we got water flowing out the drain. Okay, we have power in here. Should I turn on lights? Alright, it took us a long time today to wrap up the electrical and the plumbing, but those systems are more or less done. In the meantime, we have cleaned up and swept this inside because we're going to lay our floor. Because the toilet flange has to be installed on top of your finished floor. Because to install the toilet, we need a toilet flange. So that's what we're looking at right now. We're going to do the floor so we can have a toilet. I cannot believe that I am at this point in this build. It's far from finished, but boy is it finally functional. I'm gonna take a shower out here tonight. I have a sink with hot running water. I got a flushing toilet. We got lights, exhaust fan, the heater's in. Today was the day that we wrapped up systems. Now it's just about finish work. There's no door yet. There's no wall yet, so there's no privacy whatsoever. But, you know, we'll get there. Evelina's calling me. She's excited about this.
You ready?
Yeah?
Oh, hey guys, so we're here and we're gonna be working on the beautiful shower deck. We got some cedar planks, but first we gotta prep the space, cut them down to size, and eventually we'll seal them so we can take a normal shower.
Nice intro.
Did I do good?
You did good. Like she said, we're gonna work on the shower deck. I've been taking a couple showers out here the last couple nights, and I just balance a board over there and then I just stay on the board. But it's not hard to lay down a quick deck, so that's what we're gonna do. First things first though, before we put the deck boards down, we're gonna put a layer of waterproof tape on the top of these pressure treated lumber boards, just to prevent excess moisture from just sitting on top of those. All right, we got our waterproof tape down. Now we gotta just cut deck boards and slam them in.
A lot of dirt and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, there's one available.
Look at that! So we were pushing mighty hard last night to get this patio wrapped up and try get the house wrap finished. We ran out of house wrap, so we couldn't get that done. The one thing we can do this morning is put in our door, and then we have an enclosed toilet room. And that's really the goal that I've been shooting for this whole time. Again, the finish of this is gonna come later. This just needs to be a functional private place to do your business by next Monday. And we're gonna have it done today. And there's our bathroom door. I'll go get the deadbolt from the shack so we can throw that on there. The handle is just a handle, there's no lock on it. So the deadbolt is gonna be how, you go in there, lock it, just like any other bathroom. Now yes, this place has a long ways to go before it is finished. You see all the utilities here in the wall, but right now that's okay. I need to focus my attention on bigger things, which is the bus. But now, when I have my family here, when my parents are here for days in a row, when Evelina comes to visit, when any of you that are traveling around want to stop by and stay at the property, you have a place to use an actual bathroom, use an actual shower, and enjoy these amenities that are here. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and following along on this portion of the build. We'll be back with more episodes about this outhouse, but not in the near future. That's going to come later this summer as we're preparing for winter. This will get insulated and this will get finished out, but that's not a priority right now. In a couple of videos, you're going to start to see me back pushing hard on that big bus because we got to get that built. We got to get it out sometime this year. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Appreciate the feedback and the support, and we'll catch you next time here on the BBO bus with some more content about the big one. Thanks for watching.